Good morning, children. How are you? Did you understand the previous lesson? Computer, the wonderful world of computer. You saw how the machines are helping us. You saw how the computer is useful to us, how we can do sums, how we can draw pictures. Yeah? And today we will learn the parts of the computer. Okay, children? I'll show you the picture and you will enjoy learning. This is your computer. Actually, computer has many parts, but you don't, when you come to the lab, you can't see all these parts because there's only one printer or only one speaker. There are many speakers. Here you can see this is the monitor. It's a screen. It's looking like a TV screen. You have the CPU, which is called the central processing unit, the keyboard, the speaker, the mouse. This is a mic. When you speak through it, it is heard on the speaker, and this is a printer. These are some of the parts of the computer. Let's see your lesson, what is given in your reader. This is your reader. Chapter 2, parts of the computer. The computer has many parts, but 4 main parts we are going to learn. Those parts are called the monitor. This is your monitor. The CPU. This is your CPU. The keyboard and the mouse. We will learn about them separately. So again, tell me, what are the parts of the computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. CPU means central processing unit. It is the main unit which, whatever data you feed in, whatever you're typing will get into the CPU and then it processes it and you can see it on your monitor. Okay, let's see what's next. Yeah, we are going to learn first about the monitor. What does a monitor do? You can see all information on the monitor and you can see small pictures also on the monitor. This monitor is using Windows as an operating system. This all information can be displayed on the monitor. Whatever you type in the keyboard, it displays on the monitor. It is like a TV screen, a very colorful screen. This is your monitor. So what does it say? This is a monitor. It displays information. Information means whatever information you need from the net also. Next is your CPU. The CPU means central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. So whatever you want to do, you have to listen. Your brain says, come on, we must study tomorrow exam. Then your brain is directing you to do such things. So also the computer is the main part of the CPU is the main part of the computer. The CPU is the main part of the computer. It is called the brain of the computer. The CPU is called the brain of the computer. Brain of the computer. Next is your keyboard. On these keyboards, you can find alphabets like A, B, C, D. You can find numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you use the keyboard when you came to my room. Okay. You have other keys like enter key. Okay. Arrow keys to go up and down. You have typed numbers and you type alphabets in the room. Yes, children? And how many keys are there on this keyboard? There are 104 keys on a keyboard. That is the important keys. So the keyboard is used for typing. And on the keyboard you have alphabets, that is A, B, C, D until Z. And you have numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have some function keys also. So totally we have 104 keys. We have even Windows key. If you click on this, your computer will open. No? You know it. So 104 keys. How many keys are there on the keyboard? 104 keys. Next is the mouse. The mouse, you can see this pointer. I'm pointing to this mouse only. This picture is the picture of a mouse, computer mouse this is. not real mouse. This is a computer mouse. Whatever you're pointing, it will show on your monitor. This is monitor screen. On the screen, wherever I'm moving the mouse pointer, it's going. I want to point to mouse, say. See, I'll just point to the word mouse. See, here, it came here. This is called a pointing device. It is used for pointing any items. I want to point to this word M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And I want to point to this picture. This is a mouse picture. What does it say? This is a mouse. It is used to point at any items shown on the monitor. Any item that is shown on the monitor, it is pointing. I'm pointing to my face. See? So this is the pointer. Next, what all did you learn? You learned that computer has 4 parts: the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. What is the work of the monitor? The monitor will show you small pictures. It is used for, giving you your information, showing information or searching for information. The keyboard is used for typing, to type any sentences. Like this computer has 4 main parts. It's being typed. So it types numbers, alphabets, and special characters. The mouse is a pointing device. It helps us to point to any object. The CPU, full form is Central Processing Unit. CPU, Central Processing Unit. And the CPU is the brain of the computer because it gives directions for everything to work. Whatever you type on the keyboard goes to the CPU and you can see it into the monitor. It processes whatever you ask. So CPU is the brain of the computer. Now you have worksheets. You must do all these worksheets. Here you have some boxes here. What is the picture of this? Monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R. This is a keyboard. This is a CPU. This is mouse. Then you read and you tell me the answers. If I'm going to tell you the answers, then I will not know whether you learned, you understood the lesson. So complete all this. I will give you marks for doing all these worksheets. So page number 11, page number 12. I think you just got 2 pages. So here I've given you homework. Homework chapter 2. Complete the worksheet bits given on page numbers 11 and 12 in your computer reader. Write in your reader only, children. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. And stay safe, children. Don't go anywhere outside. Be at home and do your homework. Thank you.